I'm an architect who loves creating unique 3D objects, the kind you can actually make money from. I've got lots of different filaments and I pick the right one depending on the object I'm printing. So far, I've made over 100 models, you can check them all out on my channel. In my first videos, I even showed how to set up your 3D printer and all the software settings step by step. Today, I'm making a red panda, a model that you guys requested in the comments. This one took about 2 hours to print, and these are the settings I used. Here on my channel, I print cool and fun models for you, so comment below and tell me what character you'd like to see next. Honestly, it's not hard at all, you just need to follow a few simple steps. I'm already in love with it, how about you? Here's what I do, after checking my settings and taking notes in the software, I double check everything, save the file to a USB stick and plug it into my printer. And that's it, magic starts. You're watching the whole process right now, it's so satisfying, right? If you want to print faster and with fewer errors, go watch my earlier videos, I've shared all my exact settings there. Oh, and usually I paint all my models with acrylics, but since this one's a gift I left it plain. Our awesome model is almost ready to show off. Don't forget to subscribe and tell me in the comments which model you'd like to see next, I might make it for you. You're watching the printing process right now, and it took me about 2 hours to print this model. By the way, I had also printed a moving pumpkin before, if you'd like to check it out, I've dropped the link in the description. Alright, look at this, done. Wow, I love it, it turned out so cute. I really think 3D printing and painting can be both a fun hobby and a full-time job, it's so enjoyable. For painting, I use acrylic paints. I'm starting this one with a few layers of white, and then I'll add some patina effects using red, yellow, brown, and a touch of green to give it that multicolor finish. Painting is honestly my favorite part, it's so relaxing and creative. What about you? Which part do you enjoy the most? And watching the printing process is so fun, every step feels like getting one step closer to bringing your creation to life. Now it's going next to its little buddy. The next video is going to be really exciting, so don't forget to subscribe so you'll be the first to see it. Thanks for watching.